we assembled a list of the best marshmallow roasting sticks available. We preferred marshmallow roasting sticks that are made of high-quality stainless steel and non-toxic, heat-resistant plastics and wood, are designed for different uses like meat and veggie skewers, had comfortable, heat-resistant handles, and are safe for kids to use.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best marshmallow roasting sticks in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. MalloMe Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. These are a widely beloved set of roasting sticks, particularly for families or children. They are 30 inches long, as opposed to the usual 22 inches, making them safer for children as they can stand farther from the fire but still join in on the fun. The prongs are not sharply tipped, so you don't have to worry about kids pricking their fingers or fighting each other with these. In addition, each one has a differently colored band at the base of the handle, so everyone can keep track of which one is theirs. These are high-quality, FDA-approved sticks made of non-toxic stainless steel. The forks even retract into their handles and can be stored in the included heat-resistant pouch. Number 2. SUMPRI Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. SUMPRI marshmallow roasting sticks are made with high-quality stainless steel and non-toxic plastic. The telescoping arms extend up to 34-inch and the plastic handles feature multiple bright colors so that everybody can know which one is theirs. The double-pointed forks are extra thick to help marshmallows stay on while cooking, and the included plastic safety tips can be put on when not in use for maximum safety. A built-in dial on the handle rotates the arms 360-inch so you can rotate food items over the fire for thorough cooking. If you need to gather firewood in the dark for cooking, then light your path with the best headlamp and leave your arms free to carry the firewood. Number 3. M Kitchen World Premium Roasting Sticks. These roasting sticks come in a pack of 5. They are a must-have for families with young children, as they are telescoping, extendable handles and can reach 45-inch in length, keeping kids safely away from fire. They are made from non-toxic, heat-treated stainless steel. The sharp tips are protected by rubber so kids won't hurt themselves. These can also be used as a fork to move food from a grill to a plate. They retract to 10 inches and can be stored in the included canvas pouch, or easily packed up and taken to the campsite or cottage. Manufacturer M Kitchen provides a lifetime guarantee on this product. Their rubber handle with indents is a very comfortable and non-slip surface. Another cool feature is each stick can hold up to 1.43 pounds. Number 4. Aoocan set of 8 marshmallow sticks. These roasting sticks are 32 inches long and made of non-toxic stainless steel for safe roasting, so you and children can stay a safe distance from the fire. They have non-sharp prongs, making them safe for children, but still very effective. The forks retract into the handles, down to a length of only 12 inches, and the set includes a handy traveling heat-resistant pouch. They are easy to store and take on camping trips. These are also very easy to clean. Each handle has a differently colored ring, so everyone can reuse their own without worrying about cross-contamination. Kids will get a kick out of the colors and be very excited to use them. The wood handle tips are BPA-free. Number 5. Carpathian Campfire Roasting Sticks. Carpathian campfire roasting sticks are made of high-quality stainless steel, natural, splinter-free wood, and BPA-free plastic. The telescoping arms are fully rotatable and extend to 34-inch and have 2 points for a fork-like design. The wooden handles are comfortable, heat-resistant, and sized perfectly for small hands, and the color-coded plastic handle rings are BPA-free and control the rotation of the arms. The roasting sticks come with small plastic tips for the points for safety when not in use, a recipe book, and an easy-to-find bright green canvas carrying bag. The slightly thin construction of the steel arms means they may not hold food as well as some models while fully extended, but their generous reach makes them extra safe. That was our list of the top 5 best marshmallow roasting sticks just for you.